Arriba! You guys are doing a fantastic job. King Piers out here in Kansas City. This is our stone foundation renovation. There's also some brick walls. You can really tell the difference between the concrete put over a stone wall compared to the brick. This does two things. It adds structural strength to the walls once the concrete is dry, and it also waterproofs it. Now, because it's rigid, it has no flexibility, concrete will crack. If the stone behind that mortar happens to crack, cause a crack because the stone moved, just call us on the phone. We'll come seal it and repaint it. Easy fix. This is high strength King Piers mortar. Almost done with the walls. We are now, the last step will be removing the rest of this floor. We're going to make this an easy pour. We're going to divide this into two pours. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Bless you.